This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. There are various academic disciplines that study the human condition, such as human genetics and physical anthropology. These disciplines usually use empirical methods of the natural and social sciences to study the human condition. Humanities is also a discipline that helps to study the human condition. This essay gives a definition of humanities and the difference between humanities and other modes of human inquiry and expression. In addition, current examples of various types of humanities, such as art, music, architecture, philosophy, and literature, and how these examples reflect current developments in politics, social economics, and technology are also given. Definition. Humanities are academic disciplines that analyze human beings' behavior and their way of living critically and analytically. There are various examples of humanities which include language, history, philosophy, religion, performing arts, and music. Other subjects such as technology, communication studies, cultural studies, and linguistics are sometimes considered as humanities. What distinguishes humanities from other modes of human inquiry and expression, such as human genetics, is that humanities studies how human beings understand their own entities as human beings. Humanities study human beings critically and analytically. However, other modes of human inquiry and expression, such as human genetics and physical anthropology, look at human beings as entities that are chemical, physical, and also biological in nature. Types of humanities. Art. This is a type of humanities that involves drawing and painting. Drawing is a means of making an image on a surface using various tools, while painting involves applying ink on a surface. Examples of current art are carvings. Carvings are done on stone or plastics because of the unavailability of hardwood. Current technology provides tools that are used in carvings. Carvings are used for decoration, and therefore, they are in demand. Therefore, people make money by selling them to the public. Music. Music, as an example of humanities, involves the act of sound production, and it is a form of performing arts. Currently, music production and recording are mostly used. The recorded music is sold by producers to the public, and hence, they earn and develop economically. Some songs are educative, while others are for entertainment. According to current technology, songs can be easily recorded and listened to or watched in the future. Therefore, the current technology has contributed to the current form of music. In addition, politics supports songwriting and production because the government enacts laws to protect producers, such as copyright, and also invites them to present their songs during public occasions. Literature. It could imply any symbolic record which may involve letters or images. Book writing is supported by the government. This is because writers are protected by some rights enacted by the government. Book writing is a form of business, and it is also a form of enriching the society with knowledge. Current technology of computers has helped in printing of materials. Philosophy. This is the study of problems that affect human beings on matters such as knowledge, truth, justice, rights, justification, beauty, wrong, and validity. Constitutions are the current examples of philosophy. They are written to guide people on what is right or wrong and also on their rights. Politics have encouraged people to write constitutions before they can be registered either as an organization or a society. Architecture. This is a type of humanity that involves both art and engineering. Modern architecture uses steel and metal to ensure buildings have a solid structure. The roofs are made of high-quality ceramic tiles, and the windows are made of glass. Sometimes, the walls and doors are made of glass. Many people live in aesthetic buildings and also where they feel secure, and this has influenced the current architecture. Technology has improved, and there are heavy machines for construction. The government has also influenced modern architecture in that it ensures that buildings constructed mostly in towns are aesthetic. Conclusion. Humanities is different from human genetics and physical anthropology because it analyses human condition critically, while the other disciplines consider man as biological and chemical in nature. The subject has developed and hence has included more subjects such as communication studies, cultural studies, and technology. Humanities have been influenced by development in areas such as politics, socioeconomics, and technology. If you want to find more works like this essay on humanities, definition, and types, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.